Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat in Apex Legends so you can talk with your teammates during matches. First, launch Apex Legends and wait until you reach the main menu. Once you're there, load into the lobby and look at the top right of your screen where it says Game Menu. Click that and go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to the Audio tab, scroll down a little bit until you see Voice Chat. For voice chat input device, make sure it's set to your microphone. And for voice chat record mode, you set it to which you prefer. Set it to either push to talk, open mic, or toggle mic. I prefer push to talk, so I'll set it on push to talk. And then adjust your incoming voice chat volume so you can clearly hear your teammates. Next, if you're on push to talk or toggle mic, what you have to do next is go to the mouse and keyboard tab, scroll down to where it says communication, and at the bottom of communication, you can find your push to talk or toggle button. Set it to whichever you prefer, and then click escape. And after that, you can finally join a match and test your mic. After that, you can join a match and test your mic. You should see a speaker icon when you talk on your health bar. And that's it. Your voice chat is now enabled in Apex Legends.